All right, so this video comes at the request of Mason. He gave me some feedback and said the first one was a little too hard to read, which I completely agreed with. So I'm re-uploading it. One thing I would say is if you haven't done this page yet, one thing you can do is listen to me read the question and then pause on your screen, solve it yourself, and then play it to see what the answer is and see if you got it correct. If you got it wrong and you don't understand why, you can always leave a comment down below at the bottom of the video, or you can go onto Google Classroom, okay? So let's get started. It says, solve each of the story problems below. Use another piece of paper if you need more room. Use numbers, labeled sketches, or words to show your thinking. Then write an equation to represent the problem and the answer, okay? A says, the pet store just got 32 new turtles. Elena is putting the turtles into terrariums, and these are like aquariums, like what you would put a fish in. Okay, so I'm going to do a box so you just kind of know a terrarium is like a tank. She puts 4 turtles in each terrarium. How many terrariums does she use? So we know there are 32 new turtles, and she puts 4 turtles in each terrarium. And our question is asking, how many terrariums does she use? If you didn't underline this information, I want you to go back and do that, because that's what we do when we get story problems. We go through our important information, okay? So we know, just to recap, there are 32 new turtles. She's putting 4 turtles in each terrarium, and we want to know how many terrariums does she use. So this is a division problem, because we know we have a big group, and we're dividing it by 4. Okay, if you know this fact, you can just solve it. If you didn't know it, one thing that you could do is start drawing out the picture. Okay, so I'm going to draw my terrariums and count until I get to 32, and I'm going to make sure that I'm only putting 4 in each box. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And notice I am not taking time to draw turtles in each of my boxes. I'm just trying to show my work. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, 32 is my number. There are 32 turtles. So now I'm going to count how many terrariums there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer is 8. You also could have done 4 times what equals 32. Okay, because we know that multiplication is the opposite of division. Okay, the next one. The pet store has 9 puppies. Important information. Each puppy drinks 6 cups of water every day. So 6 cups of water every day. How much water do all 9 of the puppies drink in one day? All right, so take a moment, pause. Is this addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? We know there are 9 puppies. They each drink 6 cups of water every day. And our problem is asking how much water do they drink? All of them, all 9 puppies drink in one day. So this is multiplication. The number is going to get bigger. We're not dividing it into groups. So our equation would be 9 times 6. And for this one, I'm going to show you the 9s trick. I showed you this yesterday. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We stop. On this side, we have 5. On this side, we have 4. So our answer is 54. You could also have done 9 6 times. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Okay? And this is 54 cups. That's our unit. All right. This next one. Rectangles below have already been marked off in the square units. Record the dimensions of each and then find the area. Write 2 equations to show how you found the area of each. So remember, dimensions are the labels, how high and how wide, and area is the inside. Okay. This first one is an example for you. So it's showing the dimensions 2 high and 9 squares wide. And then in the inside, there are 18 squares. So they did this by doing 9 plus 9 equals 18, or 2 times 9. So we can use this example to help us solve these ones. All right. So this one, A, it's 3 high, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wide. Okay? So the first equation we could do is 3 times 6 equals 18. If you didn't know that, you could do 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay? And that's our other equation. Okay? So our area is 18. All right, we want to make sure that we're not counting every single box. That is not an efficient strategy for us. We want to make sure that we're either multiplying or adding. Because if we count, we can make mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so we want to make sure that we're using multiplication or addition. Our next one, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wide. So we could do 4 times 5. Okay, for this one, we can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Or we can add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. Or we could do 5 4 times. Plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. All of those work. Okay? Thank you, Mason, for your feedback, and I hope this is a better quality version for you guys.